Hey guys, so today's tutorial is all about ChatGPT. So in today's video, we're gonna learn how you can use ChatGPT to write an essay. So make sure that you watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. First of all, you have to go to the main site of ChatGPT, and over there, obviously, you have to log in with your account. And once you're done, and now the key here to write an essay, if I ask ChatGPT to write me an essay about computer history. So obviously ChatGPT will write an essay, but if anyone else will use the same keywords, then most probably he will also get the same answer, like the same wording of the essay. So in order to get a unique essay, what you can do, okay, so I'm going to stop it from here for a while. So in order to get unique words, what you're gonna do, you have to write, let's say, write me an essay about computer history on 200 words. Alright, so now it will basically generate some unique words that will help you a lot. So you can try to add some extra keywords to get unique wording. So this is basically how you can use ChatGPT to write an essay. So all for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.